Hey, what's up everybody? It's Jorge Ramos with Evolve Realty. Stopped by one of my teammates' open house today, 9462 Verneda. This thing's a palace, man. 4,200 square foot home, 5 bedroom, 3 bath, RV parking. This is at the end of the cul-de-sac in a gated community in the nice southwest area. Let's go inside and check it out. $150,000 remodel. Bring your pickiest buyer. This thing is amazing. Look at that walkway coming in. Beautiful staircase. Look at these ceilings, 10-foot ceilings throughout. Got a den here, double door den to the left. We head into the kitchen area. Wow. Home for the holidays. This is the place for you. Love the finishes. Black bar pools. Soft close drawers. All the appliances are included. Look at these things. Super sexy. Look at that range. Wow. There's some cooking there, huh? Nice lip, ready to entertain. This thing has RV parking. It's got a covered patio here. Lumawood. Like, share, comment. You got any questions? Side yard there. Ton of privacy. This one's located on the end of the cul-de-sac. You got a wash behind you. You got a wash to the side. Look at that pantry. Wow. The wine fridge there. Gas fireplace. This one's price to go. $637,999. The southwest area. Wow, look at that shower. Please give me a call. My phone number is 702-588-4800. 4,200 square foot home. All the appliances included. Samsung, ready to go. All black fixtures. Wow. This thing was done beautifully. So we head upstairs. Nice little buffet area up here. Every room's pre-wired for ceiling fans. Eight-inch baseboards. Upgraded panel doors. Beautiful railing. Talk about a primary room. Wow, this is beautiful. All you need is a little microwave up here. You could live up here, huh? A sink, refrigerator, gas fireplace, glass windows in the cabinets there for your entertainment. Wow. You could sell your home in California, come out here and pick this thing up cash. Jacuzzi jetted tub. All black fixtures. Wow. Again, if you're in the market of buying or selling, please give me a call. My phone number is 702-588-4800. We can get you a private showing in this home before it's gone. Smart home, smart thermostat. Again, my name is Jorge Ramos with Evolve Realty. We'd love to get you into this property. It's gonna go fast. It's move-in ready, completely redone, 150,000 square foot, $150,000 remodel, 4,200 square foot home. Please give me a call. I'd love to take care of you. Have a good day.